This is the mastoid process. Mastoid process. This is the styloid process. Zygomatic bone. This is the maxillary bone. Maxilla bone. Infra-orbital foramen. Supra-orbital foramen. Lacrimal bone. The next bone into it is the ethmoid bone. The hole is the supraorbital fissure, and the bottom would be the infraorbital fissure. The hole in the eyes is the optic foramen. The cristagalli. This is a cribriform plate. Within the cribriform plate is the olfactory foramina, and this is all part of the ethmoid bone. This is the sphenoid bone. This is the sella torsica in the middle. This is the foramen ovale. This is the optic foramen right there. This is the jugular foramen, which is part of the temporal bone. And this is the foramen magnum. This is the foramen magnum right here. Right there, you got it? This is the foramen magnum right here. This is the occipital condyle. In here, the first hole, the big hole, would be the jugular foramen. This is the second hole, would be the carotid canal. And this hole would be the foramen ovale. In this part would be the palatine bone. And this is the vomer. This is the external auditory meatus. This is a styloid process. This is a mastoid process.
How about the inside of this nasal? I already mentioned.
This is the vomer. The first, whatever, thingy in the first
Okay, the first
is the inferior nasal concha. Above it will be the medial nasal concha. Above the medial nasal concha is the superior nasal concha, which is part of the ethmoid. It has to be ethmoid bones, right?
because it's here.
Yeah, so it has to be the ethmoid bones. This is the nasal bones.
This side is
This is nasal bones.
the hole.
No, this is right here.
Yeah, but there's this.
Yeah, but this is the nasal.
Yeah, already.
This, I already mentioned that.
Mandible.
This is mandible, yes.
Mental foramen, right?
Yes, the mental foramen. This is the mandibular condyle, coronoid process of the mandible, mandibular ramus, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Sagittal,
Suture.
coronal, lambdoid, lambdoidal suture, and that would be the squamosal suture. Wait, I have a question.